Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I got a good one for you. Let's make some honey chicken. Yes, baked honey chicken. So I'm gonna bake the chicken as you normally would bake chicken, and then towards the end, when it's 3/4 the way done, we're gonna glaze it with some honey. Oh, you talk about good. So good, guys, so good. Okay, so give it a thumbs up. You can do that now. It's going to be that good. Share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Okay, you might want to support this girl. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so let's do our seasonings. I'm going to be using some adobo, some garlic, some granulated onion, and some black pepper. Instead of the black pepper, I'm going to use Creole pepper. I feel like a little spice. Okay? You can use black pepper if you like. Okay, I put a couple of drops of oil on the bottom of the pan just to coat the bottom of the pan. So now I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to do the same seasonings again. Wash my hands. Okay, adobo again. Brio. Garlic. Onion. Granulated onion. And we are good. So now I'm going to drizzle on the top with my olive oil, a drop on each piece. Okay, as you can see in this glass here, I have that much water. That's all I'm going to put in here. That's to produce some steam, and I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the oven on 400 until it reaches 165. Halfway through, I'm going to turn it over. I'll show you halfway through, okay? Okay, thanks. Okay, guys. The chicken is 3/4 the way done. So I'm just going to turn it over. You notice I had the breast side down so that the breast didn't dry out. It stayed in the juice, okay? Okay, I turned it all over. The broth that is in the bottom of the pan, I'm going to save that. That's your chicken broth for free. You didn't have to pay for that because you already paid for the chicken. So I'm just going to pour it in a container, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator, and then once it cools, well, before I put it in the refrigerator, I let it cool down. And then when it gets really cool, I'll put it in the freezer if I'm not going to use it right away. So this is how you get your free broth. You can put this over rice or make a soup or stew with it. You just want to leave a little drop in the bottom so that the honey don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so let me show you this. So you can see that the skin is still soft. So I'm going to put it back in for about 2 minutes to harden up the skin a little. And then I'm going to put the honey on it, okay? Alright, so I'll bring you back in 2 minutes. Okay, so we're going to be using raw honey, okay? Alright, I'm just going to put it right over the chicken. The skin is a little more firmer now. Okay, let me let you see that. Okay. Okay. So you don't need to put it back in the oven because the chicken is hot and the honey is sticky, so it will automatically stick to the honey, to the chicken. Okay. Alright, I'm not going to eat it because it's hot and the honey is sticky, and so I don't want to burn myself. But you go ahead and you make yours and let me know how you like it, okay? Alright, it's been a pleasure serving you. I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Share the video. Love you, love you, love you. Check out the links below. Bye-bye.